Hi there, I'm Matt from Merge. Today, I want to showcase how to use Merge Gateway in OpenCode, one of my favorite open source coding harnesses. Let's get started. The first thing you have to do is download OpenCode. Just copy this command from the OpenCode website, paste it to your terminal, press enter, and then it should start downloading right away. Okay, now that that's out of the way, we have to go to Merge Gateway and actually grab an API key to add it to our OpenCode instance. Go to the API key section over here. Click Add Key. You can add a spend limit if you'd like. And then copy that API key over here. Now that we got our API key, let's jump back to OpenCode and get Merge Gateway set up there. All we have to do is run OpenCode. Now you're going to see the OpenCode screen. Type the command /connect. And then you're going to search for Merge Gateway as your provider. If you type in Merge Gateway is there. Paste in your API key. And with that, you now have access to hundreds of brand new LLMs. Personally, I use OpenCode a ton when testing out new models, and I really believe having this really simple integration makes it super easy for you to do that. Let's pick one of the newest Qwen models for us to test today. We look at Qwen 3.8 Max, which is the newest Qwen model that just came out. We can test it now in Gateway. Let's shoot off a quick test, and boom, Qwen is ready. Now, if you want to switch your model, all you have to do is type /models, search up for Merge Gateway again, pick whichever model you like, let's say Claude Opus, send out another test, and it'll work just the same. So that's how you set up Merge Gateway in OpenCode. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below.